Hello and welcome to Reviewverse channel. Here you can get every desirable product at affordable price. Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the most affordable products in the Amazon market. We are a group of people working together to give you product reviews in various categories. We try to make informed decisions so that they can meet your needs and still be reasonably priced and of a good caliber. We'll bring up what you should search for before buying them. Let's get started. Levoit Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Home, 6L Cool Mist Top Fill Essential Oil Diffuser for Baby and Plants, Smart App and Voice Control, Rapid Humidification and Humidity Setting, Quiet Sleep Mode. Powerful and upgraded Christmas gift, the unexpected 4 times faster humidification speed lasts up to 60 hours, and the covering is up to 505 square feet. You can also use the app to customize the humidity so that it adjusts automatically without worry. Best humidifier for bedroom, lying in bed, using the app or Alexa to control settings, the humidifier will raise RH 12% in 30 minutes. Enjoy the soft night lights, and the sleep mode will give you an optimal sleep humidifying environment. Better smart care. Simply use the free VE Sync app to control settings anytime and anywhere, create schedules, etc. And the auto mode will maintain the room humidity at the healthiest humidity level in you. Plants need it. In addition to the most basic plant humidification, it offers you more comprehensive plant care programs, including scanning recognition, more professional encyclopedias, and specialized custom plant management. Venta LW15 Original Humidifier in white. Evaporative humidification for spaces up to 300 square feet. Healthy air humidified to an optimal 40 to 60%. Cold evaporative humidification without the use of filters. Safe for use with tap water. Naturally reduces harmful pollutants in the air at a humidity level of 40 to 60%. Cold evaporation technology. Levoit 4L Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room and Essential Oil Diffuser, Ultrasonic Quiet Cool Mist for Baby, Plants, last up to 40 hours, dual 360 degrees rotation nozzles, handle design, auto shut off, blue. Perfect humidifier for bedroom, with a 4L larger water tank, humidify your room for up to 5 nights. Enjoy your carefree bedtime. Humidifier and diffuser 2-in-1. Add your favorite essential oils to the aromatherapy tray to spread relaxing aromas along with healthy humidity. Add fragrance to your Christmas. Whisper quiet and safe. With Whisper Quiet and all lights off, we will help you to create an undisturbed good sleep. The humidifier will automatically shut off when water runs out. Perfect for your babies. Humidify your every corner, with dual rotating nozzles and up to 300 milliliters per hour mist output. Enjoy the moisture from every corner at home. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the product links down below within the description.